Number 1. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, solid and reliable two-wheel drive pickup that has been well cared for throughout its life. It is powered by a strong V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and dependable power for daily driving or light hauling. With only 124,000 original miles, this truck runs excellent and shows no current mechanical issues. The vehicle is currently registered, has passed smog inspection, and comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for the next owner. The interior has been well kept and remains in good condition, reflecting careful ownership, while the exterior stands out with great paint quality and a clean overall appearance. The truck is also equipped with excellent tires that are in great shape, ensuring a comfortable and confident ride. Number 2. 1995 Ford F150, price $9,000, with 152,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine, finished in gray with a matching gray interior. The truck is in excellent mechanical condition, with a replaced transmission, alternator, control arms, bushings, and several hoses. Brakes and rotors were replaced 2 years ago, and it has been reliable with no issues since ownership. It has no accident history and a completely rust-free frame, having spent its entire life in California. The vehicle has been regularly serviced at Deeds Automotive in Burbank for the past 5 years. The interior is in near-perfect condition, the air conditioning works great with recent Freon service, and the suspension remains solid. The bed is in excellent shape with a lifelong liner, and the truck has been garage-kept most of its life. A functioning radio with AUX input, an extra matching radio, and a locked toolbox are included. Number 3. 1996 GMC Sierra 2500, price $8,000, powered by the 7.4L Vortex 7400 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has 174,000 miles and comes in a clean white exterior with a gray leather interior. It is an extended cab model with an 8-foot-long bed and is equipped with a custom lumbar rack featuring a removable rear crossbar. The truck runs and drives extremely well and has been carefully maintained throughout its life. It is a two-owner vehicle, with both owners known for diligent upkeep. All features and electronics function properly, including power windows and power door locks. The interior is comfortable and well kept, offering leather seating, an upgraded stereo system, and a recently installed new windshield. The tires still have plenty of tread remaining, and while there are minor dings and scratches consistent with normal use, the truck remains in solid overall condition. Number 4. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,600. This truck has 270,000 miles and is powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It features a brown exterior, gray interior, and a third-door sport bed. The truck is a one-owner vehicle, smog-ready, with title in hand and current registration valid until November. It has many recent upgrades, including new oxygen sensors and catalytic converter, engine and transmission tune-ups, new radiator, thermostat, hoses, and alternator, along with new brakes and good tires. Additional features include trailer brake control, remote door locks, LED headlights, new windshield, Pioneer speakers, bed cover, Flowmaster exhaust, and a recently serviced AC system. Everything electrical works properly, and the truck runs and drives well. Number 5. 1992 Toyota truck, price $4,500, powered by the legendary 22 or 4-cylinder gasoline engine, known for its durability and long service life. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly, providing a solid and engaging driving experience. The truck has approximately 180,000 miles and runs and drives great. The exterior is finished in white and remains in good condition for its age, while the silver interior has been well cared for overall. The vehicle comes with a clean title and current registration, offering peace of mind for the next owner. Mechanically, the truck performs well and starts without issue. It has been kept in good running condition and is ready to be driven. The only notable cosmetic flaw is a tear on the driver's seat, which does not affect functionality and is minor considering the age of the vehicle. Number 6. 1993 Ford F150, price $4,900, powered by a 5.0-liter engine mated to an E4OD automatic transmission and has 171,000 original miles. The truck features a brown exterior and has been owned and driven with care, proving itself to be a solid and reliable vehicle over the years. It runs and drives well, making it a dependable option for daily use or light-duty work. The truck is equipped with brand new tires that were installed approximately 4 months ago and have seen less than 1,500 miles of use, providing good traction and confidence on the road. A ball hitch is mounted in the rear bumper, adding practical towing capability for trailers or small loads. With its automatic transmission, moderate mileage for its age, and durable drivetrain, this F-150 represents a classic full-size pickup known for long-term reliability. Number 7. 1972 Ford F250, price $4,000. It features an automatic transmission, blue exterior, and matching blue interior. The truck is powered by a rebuilt 360 FE engine with new bearings and seals, paired with a C6 automatic transmission that currently needs a rebuild. Power is sent to a Dana 60 rear differential. The vehicle has a clean Nevada title, keys in hand, and no accident history. It has been owned for 10 years and was used as a reliable daily driver for school and work. The paint still shines nicely after a wax and buff. Many parts have been replaced, including the radiator, fuel tank, water pump, alternator, starter solenoid, voltage regulator, ignition components, door locks, and brake drums and pads on all four wheels. Number 8. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500, powered by a 6.5L turbo diesel engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. It has accumulated approximately 315,000 miles and comes in a white exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well with no mechanical issues, and all systems are fully functional. Maintenance is fully up to date, and the transmission has been professionally rebuilt for added reliability. It is equipped with a methanol injection kit to enhance performance, rear airbags for improved load handling, and a front hitch for added utility. The vehicle sits on newer tires and does not require a smog inspection. Number 9. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with approximately 143,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with an automatic transmission. It is powered by a 5.7L Vortec engine paired with a 4L60 transmission and features a 2WD drivetrain, 5 lug wheels, and a short bed setup. The truck has a white exterior and a brown interior, giving it a classic and simple look. The engine and transmission are in healthy condition, and the truck runs and drives as it should. It is currently tagged through December 2026. The vehicle does have a manifold leak, which causes the check engine light to remain on, and the exterior has been spray painted white. Number 10. 1991 Ford F150, price $3,000, with approximately 153,000 miles. It features a red exterior and red interior, a gasoline-powered factory 5.0L 302 V8 engine, and a rare 5-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives and has several new parts, including a fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel filter, and parking brake components. With power windows functioning properly, it does need work, most notably frame rust in front of the right front spring hanger/tower, which is beyond the current owner's ability to repair. The rear brakes are blocked off due to a rusted line, though the front brakes still work and a new rear brake line is included. The front shocks are completely broken.